Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's prepare today chicken kebab recipe, and that too using homemade chicken kebab masala. No color, no preservative and no chemicals. So without wasting time, let's see how to make this tasty kebab recipe. Here I have taken 25 Byadagi Red Chillies or Kashmiri Red Chillies. We need to wash it 2 to 3 times because it has dust on it and should be washed. Next I am going to add 1 glass of hot water and let it soak in hot water for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, take a blender jar, add soaked red chilies, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 6 to 7 garlic cloves and 1 inch of ginger. Next add 3 cardamom, 1 inch of cinnamon stick, 3 to 4 cloves, little tamarind, curry leaves and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and add very little water to make thick and nice paste. As you can see here, chicken kebab masala is ready. You can see the color, it has come very nicely. We did not add any color, this is a natural color and no preservative, and you can store this for up to 2 weeks in the refrigerator. Here I have taken 1 kilo of chicken, well cleaned and washed. Now I am going to add salt as per taste. Squeeze half lemon to it. Next add 1 egg. Next we need to add 2 tablespoons of rice flour to get crispiness in your kebab. And next I am going to add 4 tablespoons of corn flour. Now I am going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of ground kebab masala. You can use this masala as much you want. Mix everything together. And now we need to keep this in refrigerator for about 30 to 1 hour. If you have time, you can store it for 2 hours also. We'll deep fry the kebabs in a hot oil until they are fried well. And the juicy chicken kebabs are ready to be served. Enjoy this kebab as a starter. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you all in my next video.